Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make melatonin more effective. Melatonin is a natural hormone that helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle, signaling to your body when it's time to wind down. To truly maximize its benefits, it's important to understand how to use it correctly. We'll cover key aspects like ideal timing, appropriate dosage, and how your surroundings and daily habits play a vital role in enhancing its effectiveness for better sleep. For optimal results, timing is everything. It's generally recommended to take melatonin about 30 to 60 minutes before you plan to go to sleep, allowing it time to absorb and start working. For adults, a typical starting dose is 1 to 3 milligrams, with most people not needing more than 5 milligrams. Taking too much or too late can lead to daytime drowsiness, so always start low and adjust carefully. If you're unsure, always consult a healthcare professional. Your sleep environment plays a huge role in melatonin's effectiveness. To encourage natural melatonin production, make your bedroom a dark, cool, and quiet sanctuary. Avoid bright lights, especially blue light from electronic screens, for at least 1 hour before bed, as this light can suppress melatonin. Aim for a room temperature around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, as a cooler environment can also help boost your body's natural sleep hormone. Beyond supplements, your daily lifestyle significantly impacts melatonin. Sticking to a consistent sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up at similar times, helps regulate your body's internal clock. Exposure to natural sunlight in the morning can also boost nighttime melatonin production. Consider adding foods rich in melatonin, such as tart cherries, eggs, or nuts, to your diet. Remember to limit caffeine and alcohol several hours before bed, as they can interfere with your natural sleep cycle.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.